Today, in this video, I'm gonna explain how to fix Amazon Fire Stick running slow or laggy. Go to settings, then go to account and profile settings. Then click on sync Amazon content. Do the same steps for couple of times. Then go to settings and go to network. Now connect your Wi-Fi and press the pause and play button. Now check the speed test of your connection. After this, turn off your TV and Fire Stick. Remove the power cable from the TV. Then wait for 30 seconds. Then plug it back and turn on the TV and Fire Stick. Then go to settings and click on applications. Then go to automatic offload and turn it on. Then go to manage installed applications. Check the internal space or do not make it full. Then click on manage installed applications. Select any app and press rewind button. Then click on confirm to clear the cache. Do the same for all the apps. If you found unused app, then press the pause and play button, then uninstall the app. Then go back to main settings. Then go to My Fire TV. Then go to About. Then go to Check for updates. Then update if update is available. Then go to Update and click on Reset to Factory Defaults. By following these steps, you can fix Amazon Fire Stick running slow or laggy.
This video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.